Did you think creating a talking animated avatar would be easy? I did. I spent 6 weeks trying to learn character animation software, downloaded 3 different programs, watched 40 plus hours of tutorials, and still ended up with a robotic looking character that moved like a broken puppet. But it was a struggle. I wish I'd known how to do it smarter. So to help you make avatar creation easier, here are 3 steps I learned that will help you create a professional talking animated avatar in under 30 minutes. The traditional way, hiring an animation studio costs $3,000 to $8,000 per character, or spending months learning complex software like After Effects and Character Animator. But HeyGen literally transforms any photo into a talking animated avatar with natural movements and perfect lip sync in minutes, not months. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to upload your reference image, customize your avatar's appearance, add natural voice and gestures, and export a professional animated character ready for any project. Step 1. Creating your base avatar from a photo. Now here comes my absolute favorite part, watching a simple photo transform into a living, breathing character. When I uploaded my first reference photo, HeyGen literally analyzed every facial feature and created a 3D animated version in under 2 minutes. I literally sat there watching my static image come to life and thought, this is pure magic. First, we start by logging into HeyGen and selecting Create Avatar from the dashboard. Then we continue by clicking Upload Photo. And here's crucial, use a high-resolution headshot with good lighting and the person looking directly at the camera. The AI will automatically detect facial landmarks, map bone structure, and create the 3D mesh. You'll see a progress bar as it processes. This usually takes 90 to 120 seconds depending on image quality. Here's what most people don't know. HeyGen works best with photos that show clear facial features without shadows or accessories covering the face. Avoid sunglasses, hats, or dramatic lighting that obscures natural features. But wait until you see how you can completely customize every detail of your avatar's appearance. Step 2. Customizing your avatar's appearance and style. Now here comes my most game-changing discovery, the customization options that make your avatar totally unique. When I started tweaking my avatar's features, HeyGen literally let me adjust everything from eye color to clothing style to background settings. I literally spent an hour just playing with different looks because it was so addictive. First, we start with the Change Your Looks panel on the right side of your screen. Then we can generate looks what we want and you can type it here. And also we can go exploring the different categories in Avatar Library for your reference look on customizing your avatar. Here's what most people don't know. You can upload custom clothing textures or logos to match your brand. Click Advanced Clothing and upload your company logo or specific color schemes to create a branded avatar. My secret tip, save multiple versions of your avatar with different outfits. You can create professional Talia, casual Talia, and presentation Talia for different types of content. But the real magic happens when you add voice and personality. Step 3. Adding voice, personality, and natural gestures. Now here comes my most obsessed with feature, giving your avatar a personality that feels totally authentic. When I first heard my avatar speak with natural intonation and saw the hand gestures sync perfectly with the words, HeyGen literally created a character that felt more engaging than most real presenters. I literally couldn't believe how natural the movements looked. First, we start by clicking Voice Settings in the Avatar Editor. Then we continue by choosing from 300 plus voice options or uploading your own voice sample for cloning. For voice cloning, record a 2-minute sample of clear speech. HeyGen will analyze your vocal patterns, accent, and speaking style. The AI literally learns your unique way of emphasizing words and pausing between sentences. Next, adjust personality settings. Set energy level to match your content style. High energy for tutorials, moderate for presentations, calm for educational content. The gesture frequency slider controls how often your avatar uses hand movements. Here's what most people don't know. You can create custom gesture patterns by typing specific commands in your script. Type gesture, point, or gesture, thumbs up, and your avatar will perform those exact movements at the right moments. My pro tip: test different voice personality combinations. Sometimes a slightly different energy level completely transforms how engaging your avatar feels. But wait until you see how to make your avatar deliver perfect presentations. Step 4. Creating scripts and generating your final talking avatar. Now here comes my most exciting moment, watching your avatar deliver a flawless presentation on the first try. When I typed my first script and hit generate video, HeyGen literally created a 5-minute presentation with perfect lip sync, natural pauses, and engaging eye contact. I literally watched my avatar explain complex topics better than I could in person. First, we start by clicking create video with your customized avatar. Then we continue by typing or pasting your script in the text editor. HeyGen supports up to 10,000 characters per video. The AI automatically adds natural pauses at commas and periods, but you can customize timing by adding pause. 2 seconds for longer breaks or speed slow for emphasis on important points. Here's what most people don't know. You can add multiple scenes with different backgrounds. Type scene office or scene classroom, and your avatar will appear in different environments throughout the presentation. Hit generate video, and in 3 to 5 minutes, you'll have a professional talking avatar ready to download in HD quality. Now here's the output.
Hi, I'm Thalia. I help businesses turn ideas into clear, strategic solutions that drive growth and impact.
It's simple, right? My secret weapon? I always generate a test version first with a short script to check voice sync before creating longer content. Let's talk real numbers here. If you hired a professional animation studio for a custom talking avatar, $5,000 to $12,000 per character. If you learned animation software yourself, 200 plus hours of tutorials plus expensive software subscriptions that cost $100 plus monthly. I know what you're thinking. But Mariana, what if my avatar looks weird or unnatural? Here's the thing, HeyGen's AI has been trained on millions of facial expressions, so the movements look incredibly natural. What if I don't like my voice? You can choose from 300 plus professional voices or clone any voice you prefer. What if I need to make changes later? You can edit scripts and regenerate videos instantly without losing your avatar customizations. What if the technology isn't good enough yet? I've created dozens of avatars and the quality consistently amazes clients and audiences. The benefits are literally incredible. You'll create professional avatar content in minutes instead of weeks. Your presentations will be more engaging than traditional talking head videos. You'll save thousands compared to hiring animation professionals. Plus, you'll have unlimited creative freedom to experiment with different characters and styles. Smash that subscribe button for more AI animation tutorials, and I'll see you next week where I'm showing you how to create animated explainer videos that actually convert.